Mas gwapo naman si John Vic Remulla kaysa kay Lamas. Tatakbo yun. Sabi mo, sabi mo ma'am, bardagulan. Oh, bakit? Bakit kayo magagalit sa akin? I'm a private citizen. Sue me.
What?
Wag nyo ako kakantihin ha, kasi I have nothing to gain from all of this. Wag nyo akong kalabanin ang tao na hindi nagnakaw, walang kailangan sa inyo. I mean, I'm crazy. I wrote 10 books. I have an article in the United Nations on the laws of violence against women in the Philippines. My book's Anti-Sexual Harassment Act is in the libraries of, listen carefully, people, Harvard, Stanford, UC Berkeley, and the National Library of Australia. Kayo, anong sinulat nyo na nailagay sa Harvard? And you think I'm crazy? Crazy pa ako niyan, ha? Can you imagine kung hindi ako crazy?
Tatakbo ka ba?